Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to trade prediction market on Predict.fun. But before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is built on the Binance Smart Chain and the contract address will be in the description below. Thank you. Now let's head over to Predict.fun. Open your browser, just head to Predict.fun. Tap on sign up if you are new to the platform and log in if you've registered before. Tap on login. If you click any of them, you'll notice several options. You can sign in with your X account, your Google account, or connect to your own crypto wallet, depending on your preference. If you choose to connect your personal wallet such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or any other supported wallet, you'll be trading directly from that wallet. This means you have to have enough funds in your wallet before you can place any prediction trades. On the other hand, if you sign in using Google, X, or another social login, Predict.fun automatically creates a wallet for you behind the scenes. This makes it easier for beginners because they don't need to set up a wallet manually. However, before you can start trading, you need to fund that newly created wallet by depositing crypto into it. Now let's log in with our X account. So I'll just tap on it. Authorize app. Successfully connected. Now we have successfully logged in. When you sign in, you will be asked to input a display name. Just type in any name of your choice. You will also be asked to deposit funds, which I've already done by sending from a wallet of my choice to my Predict.fun wallet. To deposit funds, just tap on deposit at the top. Now you can choose to transfer from a wallet of your choice or to connect a supported exchange account. If you use exchanges like Binance, Gate.io or KuCoin, you can link your exchange account and use your available balance to trade without transferring funds to a separate wallet. Now I used the transfer option, so you can use any one of your choice. Once you open the platform, you land on the home page where you find a list of active prediction markets. Each market represents a question that traders can predict. At the top, you also see different categories which help you browse market based on topics such as sport, politics, crypto, esports, and others. Each market card contains useful information. You see the title of the prediction, which tells you exactly the event you are predicting. You also see the market closing time, which tells you when the trading will end. The volume shows how much money has been traded in the market, giving you an idea of how active it is. You can see the volume at the bottom, $441,000. This one is $2.8 million. So there are several options here. Let's use this for an example. The prediction asks, will Bitcoin close above a certain price today? When you open the market, you will notice up or down option. Choosing up means you believe the event will happen. In this case, you are predicting that Bitcoin will close above the specified price before the market ends. Choosing no means you believe the event will not happen. You also notice that each option has a price beside it. These prices constantly change as traders buy and sell positions. They also represent the market's estimated probability of the event happening. For example, if up is trading at 19%, it means the market currently estimates there is about a 19% chance that the event will happen. If down is trading at 83%, the market believes there is roughly a 83% chance that it will not happen. To place a trade, simply select to go either up or down, depending on your prediction. Now let's tap on it. Now you can see the total volume, the event time, the time left, the price to beat, and other details. Scroll down to see the market rules. Make sure you read this before placing any prediction. To place a trade, simply select either up or down depending on your prediction. Let's go with down. Next is to enter the amount you like to trade. As you enter the amount, Predict.fun will automatically calculate how many shares you receive, your estimated payout if your prediction is correct, and any applicable fees. You can see the the price to win if my prediction is correct, and the number of shares I'll get. Before confirming your trade, take a moment to review all the details carefully to make sure everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied, click on Buy button, tap on Confirm. So the order has been created. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your position becomes active. Just scroll up, then tap on My Positions to manage your portfolio. Here you'll be able to see your active positions, your entry price, the current market price, your unrealized profit or loss, and the remaining time before the market closes. One important thing to know is that you don't always have to wait until the event ends. If the market moves in your favor and your position increases in value, you can choose to sell your shares before the market resolves to lock in your profits. All you have to do is tap on Sell and confirm in your wallet. When the prediction event finally ends, Predict.fun resolves the market based on the official outcome stated in the market rules. If your prediction is correct, your winning shares are settled at their full value and your profit is credited to your amount. If your prediction is incorrect, those shares becomes worthless. And that's how you trade prediction market on Predict.fun. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, do well to drop them in the comments as a team member will be available to answer them. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.